Hey everybody, Scott Davis from The Morning Breach here. I want to talk to you real quick about socially engineered Facebook scams. So here you can see the page Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a public figure, records lots of videos, he's known for doing crazy stuff and giving out lots of money. So here you can see, this is the official page, over 1 million people like it, almost 3 million people follow it. This is, Mr. Beast. So out of the blue, to see a video show up on your timeline, that's normal. To see Mr. Beast show up doing something crazy, that's normal too. But when you see a post that is too good to be true, it probably is. So here, it's not Mr. Beast. You can see Jimmy, that's the guy's name. I don't know if it's his real last name or not, but here Jimmy Donaldson is personal blog, wants to give money out simply by saying the word cash in the comments. But if you click the link to take you to his personal blog, this page, you can see only 8 people like it, 17 people follow it. The immediate indications of this is a scam, it's not real, don't go for it. So here I can see in the 30 minutes or so that this was live, if I refresh the page, I believe it's already been taken offline. But in the 30 minutes or so that this video was live, there were 70 comments and 144 shares of this video. So what happens if you write in cash? If you write in cash, you're immediately greeted by Jimmy himself telling you that you're a winner and you were selected and you have to share it with 7 to 10 different groups to further the scam, to further it. After you tell them that you shared that post, you get another message and a link that takes you outside of Facebook. And that's where the scam is going to happen. If you click that link and you're really quick at watching the address bar, you see that it takes you to a couple different websites. So it's not just taking you to MrBeast.com, it's taking you to XXX or ABCDEF, and then it's finally taking you to a landing page that is asking for your username and password or to create an account to gain information on you. Regardless, the indicators here, it's asking you to leave Facebook to complete it. Now he's saying you have to register on his site to claim your prize, but it's taking you outside of Facebook. Red flag number 1. Red flag number 2, only 8 people like it and 17 people follow this. So red flag number 2. So immediately think about it. Remember, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Thanks for watching this tip, and I'll see you next time.